Welcome guys. So today we just solve this richest customer wealth. You are given a m times an integer grid account. So basically, I is the I customer has J's bank account. So we'll return the wealth that the richest customer has. Customer wealth is the amount of money they have all in their bank account. So basically, you can view the first person. So for example, in this account, the first person has 3 bank account, and the total wealth is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Okay, and the second person also has 6, so just return the 6. Okay, so you see this is very easy, right? So yeah, 6, 10, and 8, so return 10. Okay, and this is 17, and this is 8 plus 3, so 11. This is 15, so return the first one. So basically for each, so the easy way is that for I account, so for each I, right? For each I means that for each this small list, right? For each this small list, we just sum this I. So sum I, just given a list, you will sum all the elements, right? So basically sum I for I accounts, I combine all of them into a list and then return the maximum. That's it. Okay, so I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.